damn straight. Okay, you two look va-va-voom.
Va-va-voom, pretty pow.
It could be sort of something va-va-voom, sexy.
Va-va-voom means something or someone is very attractive, exciting, or impressive. For example, you might say that she walked into the party with real va-va-voom today.
You talk a big game about liking jugs.
Wait.
You know, you talk a big game, Stan, but when
People like to talk a big game about empathy, but
To talk a big game means to boast or speak confidently without proving it through actions, like saying someone talks a big game but never actually delivers.
Another day, another dollar on the Bering Sea.
That's hot.
Yeah, another day, another dollar.
Wow.
Got my conversation.
another day, another dollar.
I'm
looking forward to a dollar.
Another day, another dollar, that is the expression for another ordinary day of work to earn money, like when you say, time for work, another day, another dollar.
You know, of course, my final answer was go big or go home.
Time's up. This is the finale. Go big or go home.
Go big or go home, bro.
Go big or go home. It really means that you should do something with full effort or do not do it at all. If we are going to compete, let us go big or go home.
To have the same old Christmas.
doctor's office.
Same old, you know.
Oh, you know, same old.
Have you ever heard someone say, same old, same old? What do you think this idiom really means? Comment the correct meaning below before checking the answer. Let's see how many English experts are here.